It's been more than 50 years since humans last left Earth orbit for the moon, and now NASA is preparing to change history. This is the Artemis program, the next giant leap for humanity. Before astronauts return, everything had to be tested, from rocket engines to spacecraft systems and even the ground control that will guide them. Artemis I was NASA's first uncrewed mission to test the agency's most powerful rocket ever built, the Space Launch System, or SLS, paired with the Orion spacecraft. The rocket was rolled out to Launch Complex 39B at Kennedy Space Center in Florida, stacked piece by piece inside the Vehicle Assembly Building and carefully tested for flight readiness. The Orion spacecraft, designed to carry astronauts safely to deep space, was integrated with the rocket to prepare for the first journey beyond Earth orbit in decades. Rigorous testing followed. At NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama, the SLS core stage completed the Green Run test, a full-duration firing of its engines to ensure every system works under extreme conditions. Flight software and avionics systems were tested in the System Integration Lab, while engineers at the SLS Engineering Support Center monitored every detail to make sure nothing was left to chance. Every bolt, every wire, every computer command was scrutinized. Artemis I had to succeed so that future human missions could safely reach the moon. Then came the moment of truth. The Space Launch System roared to life, carrying Orion toward the moon. Over 370,000 kilometers into space, the spacecraft orbited the moon, performing the critical maneuvers that would prove NASA's deep space systems. The Orion capsule traveled faster than anything humans have flown in decades, testing re-entry procedures that would keep astronauts safe on future missions. The next mission, Artemis II, will be crewed. NASA's astronauts will travel farther than any humans in generations. Commander Reed Wiseman, pilot Victor Glover, mission specialists Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen from the Canadian Space Agency will be the first humans to ride this rocket around the moon. Inside Orion, they will test the spacecraft's life support, navigation, and systems in preparation for humanity's next giant leap. Artemis II will orbit the moon, giving astronauts a chance to experience deep space conditions while testing every system required for future lunar landings. This mission lays the foundation for Artemis III, when humans will finally step back on the moon's surface. It also marks the first steps toward sustainable exploration, lunar bases, and eventually, missions to Mars.